Is your TikTok app showing an error when connecting to YouTube or Instagram? This could be caused by a restriction in the app. Don't worry, try the simple solution to fix the issue. Open your TikTok app, then go to the profile section. Tap on the three lines in the top right corner, then tap Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. Tap on Account and Profile. In here, select Editing Profile. Now among the options, select how to link and unlink YouTube and Instagram accounts to the profile. On the bottom of this page, select No as the answer. Tap Need More Help after this. Now you will be able to directly message the TikTok support team. Write to them about your problem. Say something like, "My TikTok responds with error when I try to connect with YouTube and Instagram to my TikTok profile. Please help me fix it." And send a message to them. After this, TikTok should contact you in the next 24 to 72 hours and help you fix the problem. So guys, go ahead and give this process a try on your Android phone and see if it helps resolve the issue. I'm hopeful that it will fix the problem, but if not, feel free to let me know and we can explore other solutions together.